Hello friends and happy fall. We have finally made it to fall. It is no longer summer. I only like summer because my birthday falls in summer. Otherwise, it is way too hot and I'm so ready for the cooler temperatures. And finally, I can see in the forecast. We're gonna start seeing that. So I thought today I would show you guys how I organize all of my Halloween decor, how I keep track of everything, and yeah, I'm not gonna ramble, I'm just gonna get straight into it. If you guys like videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe, become a member of my creepy little corner of the internet. I would love to have you. I post every Friday. Let's go ahead and jump straight into the video. Side note, look how cute these Sherpa candy corn jack-o'-lantern slippers from Edmund Sprout are. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed. Okay, I apologize in advance if you hear my cat. I actually have two cats, so sometimes when I'm sitting on the floor, they like to come say hi. So I am so sorry about that. If they meow. If they meow. So I went over to storage the other day with my mom. That's where I keep all of my boxes. I would say I probably have, this is embarrassing, I probably have about like 8 boxes of Halloween decor. And I actually went through and purged some of it last year, so I should probably do that this year, but that sounds like a problem for future Sierra. So I do get the totes that are not like super big, so I'd probably use less if I had larger totes, but I do use the totes that are about this size. So oh my gosh, this is all stuff that I'm gonna like put out this year. All this creepy cloth. So in here, this is all stuff that I purchased last year. So I will say, pro tip, I use creepy cloth as a way to like wrap up more delicate items. For instance, this candelabra is not delicate, but I didn't want it to scratch anything else. So I just kind of like wrap it up in the creepy cloth and set it in the box. Some people, I'm sure, will organize based on like pumpkins or items that are more delicate. I just basically go based on the year. So it's kind of fun because I'm like, oh, all this stuff was from last year. So I have like this from Joanne. Oh, so spooky. My prized possession. Me with the guys from Scream. Ugh, such a fun day. The tool that I want to show you guys is called elephant tracks. There are a bunch of different kinds on Amazon that are similar to this, like different brands. So I'm not saying you have to use this one specifically. This is just the one that I personally have used. It is elephant-trax.com. So you can buy these straight off of Amazon and then you download an app. So what it is it's a QR code that you put on your box. This is not sponsored, by the way. I genuinely like this product. All right, let me show you guys how it works. Okay, so what you'll do once you open up the app is you'll click on pack, and this will give you the window to take pictures on. So what you'll do is you'll open up your camera app, and you can either capture new photos or upload from your phone. So we're gonna do capture new. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll place whatever object you have, take a photo of it, use photo. So now you have this. You can add keywords, like to use words like candle, and you'll press the plus, candelabra. I'll also put things like gothic. So those are going to be the things that will be important here in a minute. So now it's asking if we want to add it to a QR code. We say yes. So we are going to just peel one of these off and just place it on the box. Now from here, we'll hit scan QR code. It does it really fast. Now we're gonna label the box. I'm gonna label it 2021 at home because a lot of this stuff came from at home. You can name it whatever you want. Save that. Okay, now we can go to find. We can click on scan. It'll scan the QR code and it'll tell you what exactly is in the box. So you could either take photos of everything in the box individually so you can tag each thing like I did with the candelabra, or you could take everything, lay it out on the floor, take one picture, put a bunch of keywords, and then you don't have to go through all that process. I personally like to take photos of everything because they have a feature on the app where you could do a search. So you can search candelabra, and if I have a candelabra in another box, it'll pull up a different box and say that one's orange and I have it labeled 2019 orange. I know exactly which box to pull from storage when I go to decorate, and I know which one has that candelabra that I'm looking for. It's really great because I have bats and ghosts and all sorts of things in all different boxes. So if I'm doing like a party or something and I'm like, okay, I want all of my gothic items, I just tag everything that I think is gothic glam, and I will find out which boxes everything's in. So if it's not in every box, I don't have to drag every single box to my house from storage. So this allows you to be as organized or as organized as you want to be. Like I said earlier, some people might want to lump all of the gothic pieces together, or they might want to lump all of the ghosts or creepy cloth or whatever together. Or if you don't want to, this is great because you can search and it'll tell you exactly which box it's in. Or if you go to storage and you're like, what's this random black box? What's inside of it? Because it's opaque, you can just scan the QR code, and if you have your photos and your keywords loaded into the app, it'll tell you exactly what's in the box. So that is basically what I do. Like I said, I don't really organize super well inside of the boxes, but this app helps me stay organized within my life still. Okay guys, this was just a quick little video today. I just wanted to show you how this app works. Like I said, on Amazon there are different brands, so don't feel like you need to get this one. Make sure you just read reviews, go based off of what feels right for you, and yeah, I think between these QR codes we all can be organized and live our best spooky life. Alright, I will see you guys next Friday. Hopefully we will be back into either decorating or makeup, so I will see you guys next Friday. Bye guys! Happy fall!